Modern small front yard landscaping ideas, designing a beautiful outdoor space with limited square footage. In today's fast-paced world, many homeowners are finding themselves with limited square footage in their front yards. However, this does not mean that you have to compromise on style or functionality. With the right design approach and modern landscaping ideas, you can transform your small front yard into a stunning outdoor space that reflects your unique taste. In this article, we will explore various design strategies and tips to help you create a modern and beautiful front yard with limited space. Embrace modern front yard landscaping. When it comes to designing a small front yard, a modern approach can work wonders. Modern landscaping focuses on clean lines, minimalistic elements, and a harmonious blend of natural and man-made materials. Incorporate sleek geometric shapes, such as rectangular planters or pathways, to create visual interest and maximize the use of space. Limited square footage calls for creative solutions. Optimize your small front yard by utilizing vertical space. Consider installing vertical gardens or trellises to add greenery without sacrificing floor space. Additionally, incorporate tiered planters or raised beds to create depth and dimension in your outdoor space. This will not only enhance the aesthetics, but also provide you with more planting opportunities. Implement front yard ideas with functionality. While aesthetics are important, it is equally crucial to design a front yard that serves its purpose. Consider how you will be utilizing the space and incorporate functional elements accordingly. For example, if you enjoy outdoor entertaining, create a seating area using space-saving furniture. Install outdoor lighting to create a warm and inviting ambience during evening gatherings. Embrace minimalist landscaping. Minimalist landscaping is a perfect fit for small front yards. Keep the design simple and clutter-free to create an open, unspacious feel. Avoid overcrowding the space with too many plants or decorative elements. Instead, focus on selecting a few key plants and features that make a bold statement. This will not only create a visually appealing landscape, but also make maintenance easier. Choose modern materials and color schemes. When it comes to modern landscaping, the choice of materials and color schemes plays a crucial role. Opt for materials like concrete, metal, and glass to create a contemporary feel. Incorporate a monochromatic color palette with pops of vibrant hues to add visual interest. Experiment with different textures and finishes to add depth and character to your small front yard. Designing a beautiful outdoor space with limited square footage may seem challenging, but with the right strategies, it can be an exciting and rewarding experience. By embracing modern front yard landscaping ideas, utilizing small space techniques, incorporating functionality, embracing minimalism, and choosing modern materials and color schemes, you can create a stunning and inviting outdoor space that will make your small front yard the envy of the neighborhood. Remember, a well-designed front yard not only enhances your home's curb appeal but also provides a peaceful sanctuary for you to relax and enjoy the beauty of nature. In today's fast-paced world, the concept of a large front yard seems like a distant dream for many homeowners. However, limited square footage should never hinder your creativity when it comes to designing a beautiful outdoor space. This article explores modern small front yard landscaping ideas that will help transform your compact area into an inviting oasis. From minimalist designs to clever use of space, we delve into the key elements that make a small front yard shine. Embracing modern front yard landscaping. Modern front yard designs often focus on clean lines, minimalism, and functionality. To achieve this aesthetic, consider incorporating sleek materials such as concrete, metal, and glass. Create a sense of harmony by selecting plants that complement the overall style of your home. Maximizing small space landscaping. Limited square footage requires strategic planning to make the most of every inch. Utilize vertical gardening techniques to add depth and create an illusion of larger space. Opt for raised beds or planters to add visual interest while saving valuable ground space. Incorporating smart front yard ideas. Make your small front yard work smarter, not harder. Embrace the power of symmetry by using identical plantings on both sides of the entrance. This approach creates a visually pleasing and balanced design. Consider incorporating a focal point such as a water feature or sculpture to draw attention and add a touch of elegance to the space. Designing a beautiful outdoor space. Transform your limited square footage into a stunning outdoor space by incorporating various design elements. Use imaginative lighting to enhance the ambience during evening hours. Incorporate comfortable seating areas to encourage relaxation and socializing. Add pops of color through vibrant cushions, rugs, or flowering plants to create a visually appealing landscape. Designing a modern small front yard landscape may seem challenging, but with careful planning and thoughtful execution, it is possible to create a stunning outdoor space with limited square footage. Embrace modern design principles, maximize the use of space, and incorporate smart ideas to enhance the overall aesthetic. Remember, no matter the size, a well-designed front yard can greatly enhance your home's curb appeal and create a lasting impression.